Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel's OJ Marketing. In this video I'm going to reveal to you an amazing trick you can actually use to go on to utilizing this platform to make up to $500 right now. So this is actually an amazing platform. Even as a beginner, you can grab hold of and make money with this particular platform. And if you do stick on to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do just that. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see a lot of videos I created that can actually help you boost your income. And guys, you could also go on to subscribing to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I do go on to posting much more cool and amazing videos that could help you boost your income online. So jumping right back into the video of today, if you do head onto this platform right here called li.io, you will find out that this is actually an amazing tool right here, and I'm just going to show you a video which I actually created with the help of this AI. So take a look at this right now.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a video with this AI called li.io.
So guys, you can actually see how cool that video was right now, and that video was created with the help of this AI right here. I created that myself, and you can see right here with this particular platform you could create AI videos from just text, and you can actually build an AI powered training video with a presenter in minutes without using a camera, without using a studio and a green screen. So this is quite amazing right here, and you could go on to trying out this AI tool for absolutely free right now. But it's actually not a free AI tool. If you do check out the pricing section, you'll be able to see more details about the pricing plans of this particular AI. You can see right here that for the free plan you only do have 1 minute of free credit right here, but for the basic plan guys, you can actually get about 15 minutes right here for this particular platform. You can see the advanced plan and the custom plan and the respective amount for each plan, and also the features of each plan right here in this section. So what you want to do is to register for one of them, go on to logging into your account, and you can see right here I'm logged into my account, and I can actually go on to creating videos from templates, creating videos from avatars, which are actually this cool AI. You can actually start from the AI storyboard right here. You could convert a URL to a video. Maybe if you do have a blog post you want to convert to a video, you can do that in this section. For this section right now, you could convert a PowerPoint presentation file or a PDF to a video. But what I'm going to utilize right here is to start with an avatar. So I'm just going to go on to selecting that right here, and I'll be able to see lots of avatars once this actually loads up. And I could just simply go on to selecting one of this avatar right here. Supposing I want to use this guy right now, I'm just going to click on this plus icon, and that's actually going to be utilized right now. So what you want to do right now is to actually get a text which you want to convert to a video, and you can actually utilize this platform called ChatGPT right here to actually help you do just that. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with some cool article or some school script to your video, and you can actually go on to pasting it right here for this AI to actually go on to using that to create a video for you. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually ask ChatGPT right here to come up with a simple, cool and amazing call to action for a giveaway. So right now I asked ChatGPT to write a cool call to action for a giveaway. You can see how this actually looks like. What I'm going to do right now is to copy this particular text. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to li.io, and in this section right here which says text to speech, I'm going to just simply highlight this section, paste in that particular text right now, and remove all these special symbols or characters right there. And you can see right now this is how it's going to look like, but this is what the AI is actually going to go on to saying. You can actually change the AI speech right here via this section right now. Click on that, you'll be able to see some cool AI voices you can actually go on to utilizing. So select one of them right now and utilize them to your preference right now. So once I actually close this section, you can actually upload the voice which you want to use. You could actually go on to selecting the no speech. You can actually come onto this section to add in pauses and to mark some sections right here in this particular speech. So if you do go on to playing this right now, the AI is actually going to recite that right there. You're going to listen to how that actually sounds cool. But if you don't actually like this right now, you could go on to changing the text. If you do want to change the AI voice, You could even go as far as changing the avatar, because if I come onto this section, I can change the avatar right now. So supposing I actually want to go on to changing the background image, maybe I'm just going to come onto this particular photo section, or maybe I'm going to select the elements right now. If I just select element, I will be able to see some cool stuff like images, videos, shapes, and a lot more other stuff right now. If I select images right now, or this particular image, it will be added to this section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply stretch this right there to actually use this as a background. I'm going to right click on this and actually go on to moving this backward. So right now, if I move this backward, you can see my presenter is actually at the front right now, and it's going to just simply recite that particular text which I actually inserted in the background in this particular section right here. And guys, if you play this right now, you're going to listen to that, but the AI lips are not actually going to be moving right here until you've downloaded this video on your device. So what you want to do right now is to actually go to editing this. You could change avatars, add in text, use the element section to get stuff like videos, images, stickers, and lotties. You could go on to uploading some stuff on your device on this particular platform which you want to use. You could record, you could actually add in animation, music, and change the templates based on your preference. Maybe you could come right here and you could just simply click on add slide and edit the next slide based on your preference. Once you are done, click on register and actually go on to selecting the particular aspect ratio which you want to utilize. You could go on to turning on subtitle right now, and you can actually go on to start rendering right now. And once it's done rendering, you will be able to go on to getting your video right there. And you can actually utilize this platform to go on to making money. How do you use it to make money right here? It's quite simple. You want to just simply go on to registering for freelancing platforms right here, and actually go on to offering a very simple gig. So right now, I could just simply put in a gig like maybe AI video creation. Maybe if I just select AI video right now, you can see right there that about 3,000 people are offering this gig on this platform called Fiverr, and this is actually quite okay because not a lot of people are actually saturating this particular gig right here compared to other gigs out there on Fiverr. So what you want to do is to actually offer this gig on platforms right here such as this, and once people do contact you, you actually go on to completing that particular job or doing that particular job with the help of this AI tool called the li.io. You could actually go on to other platforms like Upwork right here, or the people per hour, the freelancers.com, truelancers.com, and make sure guys you actually do go on to the registering for as many freelancing platforms as you can to actually go on to boosting your chances of getting jobs right there and go on to making a lot of money on that particular niche right now. So you can actually use this right here to get that or to make money using this strategy. You could also go on to, maybe if you do go on to getting affiliate marketing products or CPA marketing products which you want to promote, you can use this platform called li.io to create the promotional videos and go on to publishing that on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on and so forth. You can even use that as Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, maybe Instagram Reels, and so on to get a lot of traffic to that particular affiliate marketing product link or CPA marketing link right there, which you want to get traffic to and go on to making money with this strategy. So if you utilize any of this right here, I'll show you guys you can actually go on to making money online with this strategy. And if the video was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. If you do like such content, don't forget to simply go on to scrolling through my channel for more cool and amazing videos. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.